Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best cruiser bikes that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Schwinn, Mikko and Huron Beach Cruiser. The Schwinn, Mikko and Huron Adult Beach Cruiser bike is a fantastic overall pick for a 3-speed bicycle. Made by one of the most respected names in bicycles, this 3-speed cruiser is designed for smooth rides, long-term durability and a bit of stylish fun. With 26-inch wheels and a step-over frame, this bike is best for people between 5 foot 4 inches and 6 foot 2 inches tall. It's designed for riding around your neighborhood, the shoreline or parks, and it offers a wonderfully low-maintenance 3-speed internal drivetrain. This cruiser can tackle light hills and allow for easy, quick gear changes when you need it most. Constructed out of steel, you'll enjoy the comfort of a wide dual spring-padded seat and classically styled cruiser handlebars. An intuitive rear coaster brake makes slowing and stopping easy, and you won't have to worry about making it through many miles on this bike. Second on the list is the Adept Family Lightweight 3-Speed Kids Bike. Bicycles aren't cheap, especially if they offer good quality, but fortunately, the Adept Family Lightweight 3-Speed Kids Bike is solidly affordable and built for durability. Built with safety for small riders in mind, this 3-speed bike offers a strong combination of all the features you want, plus a more budget-friendly price. It's made with an aluminium frame, 16-inch wheels, and an internal geared 3-speed Shimano shifter, so kids can ride easily on common types of terrain. Kids will get a hang of the 3 gears quickly, and the lightweight frame makes the bike easy to master. Designed for kids aged 4 to 8 years old, it's a suitable 3-speed for riders between 38 and 50 inches tall. It includes coaster brakes, the safest option for smaller kids, and gives any kid the power to ride uphill. Next up is the Sixthreezero Ride in the Park 3-speed touring city bike. The Sixthreezero Ride in the Park men's 3-speed touring city bike may be a little pricey, but some biking fans will find it worth every cent. This 3-speed is seriously impressive, built with high-quality materials and designed for a smooth, sleek ride. The bike sits on 26-inch wheels and features a 3-speed Shimano internal hub and an easy-to-use Nexus gear shifter. This gives you the versatility to need to take leisurely rides, travel long distances, and even ride around town. It comes with front and rear handbrakes, and the wheels feature double-walled rims, a comfortable seat made with synthetic leather pairs with matching grips. Fourth on the list is the Firmstrong Urban Man Beach Cruiser. If you're looking for a 3-speed bicycle that will have you covered whether you're cruising along the beach or commuting around town, the Firmstrong Urban Man Beach Cruiser bike has you covered. Don't believe that the beach is the only place you can take this bicycle. Despite its name, it's a great choice for many riding environments. It performs wonderfully on paved paths with its 19-inch frame and a set of 26-inch wheels, suitable for most men who stand at least 5 feet 4 inches tall. This speed is powered by a 3-speed Nexus Shimano internal hub. A classically designed cruiser frame features an oversized dual spring saddle paired with balloon tires. You'll be able to travel about 20 miles and at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour on this 3-speed bike. Last but not least is the Firmstrong Chief 3-speed beach cruiser. Being tall can make finding the perfect bike more challenging, but you'll love the Firmstrong Chief 3-Speed Beach Cruiser. This 3-speed bike features an extended elongated frame that's perfectly suited for taller riders. It's comfortable for men between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 4 inches tall. The seat is closer to the ground, but it offers a great amount of leg extension as you pedal, a quality choice regardless of your height. This bike's frame is quite durable thanks to its steel construction, a circular, high-arching top tube design and 26-inch wheels offer a stylish look. The tires are cushioned for a comfortable ride, and the easy-to-use coaster brakes are perfect for long rides and hills. The Shimano 3-speed internal gear system offers smooth shifting. All you have to do is twist your grips to change gears. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.